Hi friends! Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore some amazing plants. Let's go! Look, it's a sunflower. Did you know that sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun? This is called heliotropism. They love the sunshine just like us. Whoa! A Venus flytrap. Did you know this plant eats insects? When a bug lands inside, snap! The trap closes in less than a second. That's super fast. Look, a giant tree. It's a baobab. Baobab trees store water inside their trunks. That's why they're called the tree of life. They can live for thousands of years. Wow, a cactus. Cacti grow in the desert and store water inside their thick stems. That's how they survive without rain for months. Look at this plant. It's dancing. It's called the Mimosa pudica, or the shy plant. When you touch its leaves, they fold up as if it's hiding. Isn't that cool? Look, a giant water lily. These leaves can grow big enough to hold a small child. They float on water and can support a lot of weight. Uh-oh, what's that smell? It's the corpse flower. This plant smells like rotten meat to attract bugs. It only blooms once in many years. What a strange and stinky plant. Let's play a game. Can you guess the plant? This plant gives us fresh oxygen, and pandas love to eat it. What is it? That's right. It's bamboo. This tree grows the most popular fruit that keeps the doctor away. What is it? Yes, an apple tree. Plants are amazing, aren't they? Which plant was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.